Hi, welcome. Happy New Year. Another great year, hopefully with a lot of videos. We got some great products for this year. And I just came from the reception where I just have my brand new X50. So I'm very excited. This is just first day here at the office, and I thought let's do the unboxing because I get a lot of requests for that. You know, what is in the box? Jan, we want to see the video, what is in the box, looking at cables, looking at the features and everything. So this is what I wanted to show you. So I have the X50 here and I will show you what is in the box. Now, first of all, when we open it up, there's some exciting things in there. So let me show you. We have, of course, the manual, very important. Read the manual. Of course, everything is also online. We have HDMI cables, almost 2 meters, and we have 2 of them, of course, because it is the X50. X50 has 2 ports, 2 HDMI screens, so there's 2 cables, almost 2 meters, so easy to hook up because the X50 is very close to the screen, on top or under the screen, so you're very able to attach it this way. What is more in the box? We have a network cable. Of course, we need to hook up the X50 to the network so you can register to the platform, and you're able to manage it centrally to the management platform for software updates and for monitoring, etc. What do we have more? Exciting moment we have, and that is a very important one. We have a bracket which is in the box. And this is a VESA bracket which comes default with the X50, and I will show you at the end of the video because there's different options for this bracket. You have a stand which you can connect to it, you have a wall mount, there's a VESA mount, so I will show you those options in a bit to hook it up. But this is the default bracket which comes with the X50 to hook it up to the different methods, so that is very good to know. And of course, not to forget, we have the power supply. 12 volt power supply, output 12 volt, 5 ampere. So it's a small power supply which you connect to the X50. Well, now we have a big moment because we're gonna bring out the X50. It's well packed, so that is very good. It's well packed in the box with the protection on the side. Let me take it out very carefully. Exciting moment. And here we go. Here we have the X50, and it looks very, very nice. It got a soft skin on the front and the protector. So if you've seen the other videos, you can easily take this off. But also you want to do a private, and you don't want to have the camera in the room, you can just put it on the studio, and then nobody is able to be scared to be on video. The LED light is of course in here, which you will see in one of the other videos, and yeah, it looks very nice. It's all in one, and I want to just mention that again, it's all in one, so there's no PC required, not anything. You can run different apps in there at the moment. Zoom is available now, so you can run natively Zoom on this bar. It's very powerful. You just have a touch panel on the table, the TC8, which I'll show you a bit later. Put it on the table and you can have the control, and everything is in there. So you got your 4K camera, you got stereo speakers in here. There's all sort of microphones in there to do the pickup, which is really amazing. I really recommend you to look at some other videos where they show you the microphone pickup. Very powerful. Now, what is on the back? Let me show you what is on the back of this unit, because there's different connectors on the back. So we have here, and these are by the way not enabled yet in the latest version, but that will be in later versions. So we got here an optional mic, another optional mic here, There's a headphone connector here, which is an audio out. So we got microphone in, but as I said, these three are not used at the moment. Also USB-C, which is for expansion, is not used at the moment, but I'm sure these all will be available in the future releases. We got two USB-C ports. These are used for the touchscreen, and if you want to hook up and maybe for software updates or something, but you can connect it to one or two touchscreens. And on the other side, let me show you. On the other side, we connect the screens. So very easy. We got here screen 1, screen 2. We got your HDMI input, which is, by the way, all 4K inputs and outputs. We have an Ethernet, a gigabit internet, and the power supply. So everything is in here, and it feels very, very solid. So you just put it on top of your screen or underneath your screen, and you can use it. Now, give you a quick view what is under the hood. So I should be able to disconnect this. Let me do that very carefully to show you that. Yes. Put this one here. So let me show you just quickly what is under the hood. So here we see the two stereo speakers, which are very powerful, easily fill up a room. For 10 people, it's no problem for the X50. Also, there's different microphones built in here, so it can do framing of the different speakers. It can do group framing. There's all sort of intelligence like noise block, which you know from Poly, which is now called Noise Block AI. It's an enhanced feature of the noise block where it can even block other sounds in the room. So during the meeting, it just blocks a sound which is non-voice. So I think that's also very, very powerful. This is the inside. Now let me quickly show you the different mounting options, because I think that is very important to know. I've put them here on the screen for you. So by default, the bracket which I showed you is delivered with the X50. So that one is able to attach here to the screen. So you see that here. Now, then you can decide if you want to have a wall mount bracket, or you want to have a stand, which you see right here, or you can have a VESA mounting kit. So these are the different kits which you can order. So be aware if you order X50 that you get the right bracket, wall mount, stand, or the VESA mount kit, so you can attach it to a screen, and that you get the correct version of that stand to hook that up. The same for the X30. So here you see the X30, which by default has a clamp, as you see here. So that is the thing you can also attach easily to a screen. And also there's a stand option. There's different options also for the X30, as you see here. So be aware that if you order the X30 or X50, that you get the right stand with it, to make sure it's optimally put in the room. Wow, it was just a quick video. I'm very excited. Don't forget, we have it here in Hoofddorp. So in Hoofddorp we have the briefing center of Poly, where we show all our products. So please visit us, give us a note, or to the sales team, visit us, and we can show you everything live in Hoofddorp. Also, we have ISE coming up in Amsterdam Rhein, and so I think that's also good when we have all the products over there. So visit us, and we can show you that great experience with the new Studio X series. Looking forward to a great year and seeing you together.